Hey guys, and welcome to this video. In this video, I'm gonna show you how to send a Monopoly Go link on Facebook. So without further ado, let's get straight into it. So start by opening the Monopoly Go app, and once the Monopoly Go app is open, go to the bottom right corner and tap the friends icon here. And then make sure you're on the Add Friends tab at the top of the screen, and then next press the green invite button. So this will take you to another screen where you will see a Facebook invite button. So just tap that and it will open your Messenger app automatically, like so. So now the link is ready and you can add a message here if you want to. And after that, just search for the friends you want to send the link to and simply tap send next to their names. And once you've done this, you'll have successfully sent your Monopoly Go link on Facebook. So that's basically how you can send a Monopoly Go link on your Facebook. So I really hope you found this video useful. If you could give us a like and subscribe, we'd really appreciate it. Catch you guys in the next one.